What is up, UKULIMBAKERS? Welcome to the people who just saw me. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Safe by Victory Worship. They are doing it in key of A sharp or B flat, but Moira does it Moira does it in, half step lower. She is in A. So today we're going to play it in Moira's, key. Alright, and make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning just like mine before we start. And here's a piece of paper with all the chords that you need for this song. I'll give you a couple of seconds to take a look at that while I drink my water right here. Right, easy song. We're playing it in key of A, Moira's key. We're not using capo in this tutorial, so if I give you finger picking pattern later, this is not the original riff in the song, alright? Because if you want to do the original riff in their song, you need a guitar. So, we're gonna do it in ukulele. I'm gonna give you a simple finger picking pattern that you can do, not as same as that, but somehow you can lock your strings. Alright? So let's proceed with the chords. Okay, so we have A right here. You have F sharp. So from A, all you need to do is to put your number 3 finger to the 2nd fret of E string. Alright, and then after that we have D. So you don't need to remove this finger, number 2 finger. From A to F sharp, this will remain here until D. Alright, easy, right? And then we also have E, which you will only use in the chorus. And very easy song. Strumming pattern, we have down, down, up, 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 down. Let's feel the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can add up, down, or down, up as end. What I mean is down, down, up, up, down, end. Down, down, up, down, end. Get what I mean? So it goes like this. Down, down, up, down, end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, so you get that. Alright, let's start. Alright, so let's proceed with the intro. The intro and the verse are the same. Okay, they have the same chord progression, but we just need to repeat the intro once and then go to the singing. So it goes like A, F sharp minor, D, then go back to A. So each chord will have to take 8 beats. It means 2 times of our strumming pattern. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is 4 beats. Another one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that is 8 beats, which means each chord will take 8 beats. So it goes like this. For example, intro. F sharp minor, and then D, down, down, up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go back to A, down, down, up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so each chord will take 8 beats. The same with our verse, and let's proceed with the verse. All verses of this song, they have the same chord progression. So let's start. Okay, so after intro, right, you end in A, and you sing under your wings, under your grace pala. Under your grace, your mercy amazes me. Shift. Under your wings, your shadow covers me. D. A promise of love, where my heart is safe. Back to A. Undone, and second verse. Speak to me, Lord. Ten, ten, and ten, 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 ten. F sharp minor. Ten, and ten, 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 and ten, 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 ten. Go to D. Ten, and ten, 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 and ten, 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 ten. Undone. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, after that, we proceed to the chorus. So this song has basically 3 major parts. We have the verses, chorus, and bridge. So they have different chord progression but same strumming pattern. Chorus goes like A, F sharp minor, D, and E before you go back to A. Okay, so it goes like this. I found my fortress down, down, you, and my soul is anchored down, down in you. Up, 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 down, forever. Go back to A. Save. Okay, you get that? Once again. 2, 3, 4. I found my. You're in A. One more. In you, and my soul is anchored with you. Go to D. My resting place. Okay, so when you reach D, that's only 4 beats because you're gonna use another beat to E. My resting place is in your E name. 4 beats only. Then go to A. Forever safe. And then 8 beats. 2, 3, 4. So after that, you just need to repeat the verse. After repeating the verse, that's the verse 2, starting with Speak to me, Lord. And then you will repeat chorus twice. And after that, you will go to the instrumental. Now when you reach the bridge, after chorus, forever safe. The bridge goes like the same progression with the instrumental. Instrumental pala muna. Instrumental is D and A. So 8 beats for D and 8 beats for A. It goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can repeat that twice or once. After that, after the instrumental part, you go to the bridge. The bridge goes like this. You are never far away, always reaching out to save. Same. Your strength, and I am found forever safe. And then just repeat it again. Let's say 3 times because Moira does it 3 times. Okay? So D, A, only 8 beats. After that, you go to chorus 2 times. You repeat chorus 2 times and then repeat the bridge, and that's the arrangement of Moira in the song that she did with the Upper Room Manila. Now, let me give you a simple finger picking pattern that you can use for the verses of the song. It's not the same in the guitar because that's really different. We cannot do it here, or we can, but it will sound weird, right? We just need to create our own, finger picking. Alright, so let's just say the strings we have, G, C, E, A, will be named 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for the sake of our finger picking pattern that goes like. So it goes like that. For all the chords that you're gonna do. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. If you will apply the shifting of the chords, it will sound like this. Again, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, A. B. Back to A. So you can sing like, under your grace, your mercy amazes me. Under your wings, your shadows and so on. Okay, so you can do it by your own. Okay, at least you have your own finger picking pattern with this song. Also, I have made a song sheet for you, and that is downloadable for free. Please check out the link below. So let me know what you want to learn next by putting your comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more Christian music, ukulele, and kalimba tutorial. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam.